Hello, my name is Nelcy Ramos, and I'm here to provide you with the Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing valid through Tuesday, June 2012 C. Here, a quick summary to let you know that no gales or tropical cyclones are expected within the next 5 days, and no very large swells is expected either. This is the surface analysis from this morning. As you can see, we have high pressure and surface region dominating the subtropical Atlantic waters. We have also 4 tropical waves moving across the region. In the Caribbean, the influence between the subtropical ridge and lower pressure across the Southwest Caribbean is supporting fresh to strong winds in the central basin, including the Gulf of Venezuela. Seas with these winds are 8 to 9 feet. Also, fresh to strong winds are happening in the Gulf of Honduras. In the Gulf of Mexico, we have moderate to fresh return flow. And finally, northeast of the Bahamas, we have showers and thunderstorms being influenced by a mid to upper level trough. And this area of showers and thunderstorms are likely to have low visibilities and rough seas through tonight. This is the 7-day graphical tropical weather outlook showing the current disturbances and 7-day cyclone formation chances. As you can see, there is a tropical wave forecast to move off the west coast of Africa tonight into early Friday, and gradual development of this system is possible during the early to middle part of next week, while it moves west-northwest at about 15 knots across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. Formation chance through 48 and 7 days is low. By Friday morning or in 24 hours, we expect a frontal boundary to approach the northeast Florida offshore waters, which will increase the pressure gradient against the subtropical ridge. This will result in fresh to strong winds and 6 to 8 feet. In the Caribbean, former tropical wave east of the Windward Island will have moved to the eastern Caribbean, also increasing the pressure gradient in the region and expanding the area of fresh to strong wind further to the western Southwest Caribbean. Also, seas will increase from 8 to 12 feet. By 48 hours or by Saturday morning, we have the frontal boundary dissipating and winds will have diminished over the southwest North Atlantic waters. We will still have in place the subtropical ridge, increasing slightly the pressure, and we're going to still have the area of fresh to strong winds in the central and southwestern Caribbean as the tropical wave that was in the eastern Caribbean continue to move through the central waters, and seas will remain in the 8 to 12 feet. By 72 hours or by Sunday morning, we're still going to have fresh to strong winds in the central and portions of the Southwest Caribbean and seas of 8 to 10 feet. As you can see, seas will slightly decrease in this region since the tropical ridge will have slightly moved to the northeast. By 96 hours or by Monday morning, we're still going to have fresh to strong winds in the central Caribbean and a portion of the northwest Caribbean as the tropical waves continue to move westward. Seas will be in the 8 to 10 feet range. By day 5 or by Tuesday morning, we will continue to have fresh to strong winds in the central Caribbean, and winds in the northwest basin will slightly decrease to fresh speeds due to high pressure moving northeast of the area. Otherwise, we're going to see an area of fresh winds increasing in the vicinity of a tropical wave mentioned in the graphical tropical weather outlook, and we're going to see seas increasing to 8 to 10 feet in the vicinity of this tropical wave. This has been the Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing for the next 5 days. The next briefing will be ready by Sunday, June 18 by 6 p.m. EDT. Remember, latest graphic and information are available at hurricanes.gov/marine.